Hi, I'm Courtney Whitmore of Pizzazzerie.com. Creating gorgeous tablescapes is a passion of mine, and today I wanted to share this fruit and floral tablescape runner with you. That's something that you can recreate at home, whether it's a birthday party or a girl's dinner party. It's something that you can set up in advance, which I think is really important when you're hosting a party because you're oftentimes doing all those last-minute tasks right before the party starts. I love the way that this looks a little bit like a garland, and the way you kind of create that illusion is by using really small bud vases, or here's a trick, this is a clear shot glass, and it actually works really well just to kind of tuck down the blooms down into your tablescape runner. Or if you want to have some blooms laying directly on the table, then use floral tubes, and I think they're really helpful to kind of make sure that all your blooms are in water, but you still get that look of kind of a garland down the center of your table. Then, after I have all the florals placed down the center, I then pick my favorite citrus fruits. So grapefruits, oranges, lemons, limes. I have some that are whole down in there, and then I have some that I've just sliced open in half, and that's something I do right before the party starts. So I just kind of tuck those fruits down into the table, and it smells amazing. And I love to kind of serve grapefruit too, because I think it sort of ties the whole citrus feel together. And it's just a really pretty table runner that's perfect for any occasion. For the full DIY tablescape, head to the blog at Pizzazzerie.com.